So what's normally down this river, boss?
Pardon?
Who comes down here? The fishermen?
The fishermen who live along this river, they will catch the fish, by putting the net in the river.
Yeah.
And also they hunting the bird that sleep along here as well at night. Hello guys, I'm filming. Wow, catch a little alligator.
Catch your leg alligator!
To the pips, mate.
Yeah, let's fucking have it, bro.
What time is it? Fuck knows, man.
Fuck no, man. Fucking time.
Your bag's okay? You want to put your bag with me?